What is up, wonderful people? Today we are going to eat at Oceanic Boil. Let's go! Once in a while we like to do a food review, and today is a very special day. We're gonna eat at Oceanic Boil to celebrate Zion's birthday.
October 5th!
Welcome to our channel, wonderful people. We are a family of 4 from New York, and our channel is all about sharing amazing experience with you all. Besides visiting awesome places, we also like to share our dining experience. Today we are going to share our experience at Oceanic Boil. Oceanic Boil is one of our favorite seafood restaurants. They have 2 locations, one in Rego Park and one at Jackson Heights. If you like seafood and in around New York area, you will like this restaurant. They have open bar and you can order your favorite drinks here as well. So hang out here, watch your favorite sports. Hi guys, so this is one of the this is one of the owner, a good friend of us. Right.
Oh, you're America.
Ew.
When do we have the bread? Okay, now I'm feeling more sick.
Give me the honey, yeah. Give me the honey, and let me be lovey, yeah. No, 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 no.
We have the street.
Give me the honey, yeah. Give me the honey, and let me be lovey, yeah. Give me the honey, yeah. Give me the honey, and let me be lovey, yeah. Driving down the boulevard, and let me be lovey. All I see is flashing cars.
Yeah. Oh, for me too. Well, I think we need 3. Happy birthday, Jill. This is was alright. Sayang. Oh. Happy birthday, Jill.